You want to learn how to create YouTube videos like a pro? In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to do that. I discovered this tool called Descript, and it edits the videos for you because they have AI built in. It's super easy to use, super beginner friendly. I've only been using this for a week, but it's already changed the game for me. So I'm just going to get right into it and show you how it works and give you a basic overview. There's a link in the description for it. Okay, so let me share my screen. I'm actually like editing a video right now, so I'm just gonna show you real time like what I'm doing to edit this video. Okay, so let me share my screen with you. All right, so here I am inside of Descript. I just created a YouTube video, and now I'm going to edit the video, right? So what I'm gonna go to is AI tools, which is really cool. Okay, so AI, like you'll edit it for clarity, okay? So like AI will scan your whole video and see if there's any phrases that are unnecessary, right? And it'll edit those for you. So all you got to do is press submit. The next cool thing is you can have studio sound. So it will apply studio sound to your video, which means you don't even need any kind of fancy mic because it's going to sound like you're using a fancy mic. That's what I love about this. I don't want to spend all this money on fancy equipment. I don't want to spend all this time editing things. Like, no, thank you. Boring, not my cup of tea. All you got to do is upload your video. You create your video, you upload it, you put it inside of Descript, and then just go to work. So now I'm adding studio sound. I'm still learning this system, but I've already created a bunch of videos and it's fun. This is how I edit all my videos from now on. You can also remove filler words. Do this thing called eye contact. You can apply some eye contact so you're looking directly at the screen. You can create a long form video, right? This is a good strategy to use. You create a long form video, you post it to YouTube, right? And then you can create clips from that long form video, okay? And then you post those short videos, your shorts, to YouTube, right? And then the shorts will point people to the long form video that you created. That's what YouTube loves. All social media platforms, guys, they want you to stay on the platform. They don't want you to take people off of the platform. If you can keep people on your platform, they are going to reward you with new followers. So you can create these clips. It'll draft a title for you, give you a description for YouTube, and also, it will do like timestamps, right? Like, so it can create timestamps for you, which is really good because you can put that in the description as well. 1 minute, I'm talking about this. 3 minutes, I'm talking about that. 4 minutes, I'm talking about that. Timestamps, really good to have, okay, inside of your video. So it's going to create all of that stuff for you. I've pretty much done all I've wanted to do right now with my AI tools, okay?
Let me ask you something.
So, like, I'm basically only using the AI tools right now. I think it's so boring. I'm not a fan of editing. No, thank you. I also don't want to give my videos to other people and pay them a bunch of money to edit the videos for me. So this is the most beginner-friendly, user-friendly way to edit your videos without having to do it yourself manually or pay other people to do it for you, right? Okay, so now I'm going to show you something else. You can do everything manually too. Like, you can go in and do everything manually. I don't know anything about editing. I know nothing about editing. And you can see over here, the transcript is for your video, right? So you can make edits in here, but I'm basically going to show you how the AI stuff works. That's the part that I like because I don't want to do any work. I want to do as little work as possible. I'm not going to lie about it. Okay, little work as possible, make as much money as possible, doing as little work as possible. That's the motto of my life. It's not about working harder, it's about working smarter. We have this thing, this is the best part right here. This thing is called the Underlord. It sounds a little dramatic or intense, but basically this little Underlord guy, this is your little AI robot that's editing your video for you. So it says, ask Underlord for suggestions, ask Underlord for product help, remove filler words, create a highlight reel. Now I can ask it to do anything I want. So I'm gonna say, add B-roll to my video, okay? Add B-roll to my video. And background music. So I'm adding B-roll and background music and captions. So now I'm adding B-roll to my video, I'm adding background, and I'm adding captions. So now all you gotta do is send. Now, it's like anything. If you've ever used like ChatGPT before, then, you know, sometimes they make mistakes, okay? So sometimes you gotta prompt it again. Prompting means just telling it what to do. Sometimes you might have to prompt it a couple, sometimes it'll knock it out of the park on the first go. But sometimes it'll take a couple times. It'll take you some tries. That's just how AI is right now. But it's always getting better. But anyways, it's still super simple. So that's what I'm doing next, right? B-roll, I'm adding B-roll clips, like little videos and pictures to my video to make it a little more, and I'm gonna be adding some background music to my videos, and I'm gonna be adding some captions to my videos. So let me just do that. And it's thinking. So, it could take like a minute or two to do this, right? So while it's thinking, it's gonna take like a minute or two to do that. Okay, so let's see what it did. Let's check it out. Let me ask you something. Well, I think the music's a bit loud, right? So we can reduce the music level a little bit. Let's go to properties. Let's reduce the audio. You can do a combination of using the AI tool and manually doing stuff yourself. I'm still figuring out the system, but I wanted to share this with you because it's a game changer, okay? So now look, I got captions in the video, right? Weeks, months, or years are you willing to let go by living the same day over and over? Waking up tired, working for someone else's dream, coming home drained, knowing, okay, the captions are there, the music's there. Now let's go to let's see what they put in the B-roll. Did they put in any B-roll? Not yet. Where's the B-roll? It must be in here somewhere. Let me find it. Or maybe it didn't put in B-roll yet. Sometimes, oh, there you go. Here's some B-roll right here. We got some B-roll. Check it out. I invested time. I invested money. We got B-roll. To be completely honest, I failed miserably. Not just failed once, over and over. Okay. So we got the B-roll video in there. I'm just showing you what it does, okay? Yeah. So B-roll, music added. I'd make a little progress, then hit a wall. I'd spend more money than I made. And I started wondering if I was a step-by-step system that showed me how to create consistent income online. See, we got some more B-roll going on there. So yeah, you get the idea of how it works, right? You put the video in and you tell the underlord what to do, okay? And then it does it for you. And then, yeah, sometimes it's gonna make mistakes. You can edit things. You can manually edit things. I'm gonna create more videos about this the more I learn about it. But I just want to share with you right away because this has already been a game changer for me. I've already created a few videos with this, and the video quality is so much better than what I used to do, which was basically not editing my videos at all. It doesn't take very long. While it's doing its work, I do other things like working on my business. I build an online business, so I can work on business things, play my guitar, whatever I want to do while it's doing its work. And then I just check it, and then I go over it, and if I like it, cool. If I don't, I'll edit stuff. This is a total game changer. If you want to just save time, you want to edit things, you know it's good. Of course, it's better to have the best possible editing and the best possible camera work, but for most people that's going to take a lot of time. With this, it just makes everything so much faster, okay? You can do zoom in, zoom outs. It's going to do all kinds of stuff for you, okay? I just wanted to share this quick video because it's a really awesome tool and I think you're going to really enjoy using it. There's a link in my description. If you're someone who wants to like learn how to create a YouTube channel, or you have a business and whatever, you want to use YouTube channel, you want to create content on YouTube, you want to grow a YouTube channel, you want to promote your business, you want to get monetized on YouTube, then this is an awesome tool that you can use to help you save a lot of time and produce some top quality content. So the link to this Descript, I have a link inside of my description. You can check it out. And also if you're looking for some extra ways to make money online, you can also check out the free Freedom Formula Blueprint that shows you how to make 10K in 30 days. You can check that out as well. Thank you for watching. Make sure you like this video, share this video with somebody who wants to learn how to build on YouTube. This is a perfect tool to use for that. Yeah, share this video with someone and subscribe to the channel because I'm always sharing valuable tips about making money online, mindset, all that stuff. So make sure you share and subscribe to the channel. And my name is Dan, by the way. I used to be a monk. Now I'm an entrepreneur and I help freedom-seeking men and women hit 7 figures online without having to work a job. Make sure to follow me. Thank you for watching. I appreciate you, and I'll see you in the next video.